Hello and welcome to Speed Sounds. I wonder if you can say all the sounds correctly, so play along with me and we'll see. So to begin with, we're looking at the sentence, I am the best. Now, the TH sound in English has two different sounds, one that is unvoiced and one that comes from the voice box. So the sound for the is the. Actually, it's the. Can we make that sound speed? Do you know if you're doing it correctly? If you place your hand under your chin or on the section here, when you make that sound, it's reverberating up and down, and then you're doing it correctly. Well, she is not. What was the sound? Shh. Could you do that quickly? Shh, 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 shh. Good. Music is my thing. This time, the sound is at the end of the word, and I want to hear that sound. Ng. Ng. That's quite hard to actually say that sound quickly, but let's have a go. Ng, 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 ng. I thought that was difficult. What did you think? Who said I stink? Ooh. Again, at the end of the word, and we've got the sound n, but this time it's a k at the end. So we want to hear nk, nk. Can you say that quickly? Let's try. Nk, 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 nk. Good. Did you notice that cat keeps disappearing? And if you're really clever, you might also recognise that the cat is the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland. Choose me as the best cat. Yes, I can imagine that cat actually saying, choose me. But did you hear the sound at the beginning of the word choose? Ch. Say it. Ch. And can you make that speed sound? Make the sound speed up. Ready? You probably could do that longer than I can. And I am the queen cat. And at the beginning of the word, whenever we see the Q with its friend U, we have to make the sound qua. So, Q with U sounds qua. But can you make it speed to a speed sound? Qua, 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 qua. Ah, you've practiced this one before. And the sentence, play with me. And the ending sound for that first word is A. Easy, isn't it? A. But can you speed up the sound? A, 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 A. I can see a cat eating. Did you look at that word see? Because E is a sound you can get from two E's together. See, E. Can you speed sound? Yes. E. Now that was slightly different, wasn't it? Because we hung on that sound to make it go longer. Let's see if you can make this sound longer than the sound I can make. So I'm going to begin with a big to make sure I've got enough breath in here to make the E sound. Are you ready? E. E. I can jump high. Do you see that word high? And at the end of the word you've got 3 letters that together make the sound I. This is going to be really hard to speed. Are you ready? I think we're going to have to go I. Now this is an interesting sound because I want you to hear the sound that's used with the word zoo. Ooh, I am going to the zoo. What sound did you hear for zoo? Ooh. Can you? Speed sound. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. And now we have the same 2 letters, but they're making a different sound. So let's find the word first. I think it's going to be this word here. Book. Book. What sound did you hear for the word book? Oh. Ba-ook. Ba-ook. Oh. So that's a harder one. Oh. I'm not even going to try to speed it because first of all, I need to learn it. And I'm going to learn it with the word book because it reminds my brain that this is a different sound for 2 O's. Book. Oh. Book. Oh. Book. So to start off with, book. And listen to the sound oh in the middle of it. I'm going to drive the car. Yes, that cat looks as though it's really prepared. Sunglasses on, ready to go out driving. And the word that we're thinking about, the ending of the sound is going to be this one here, car. What sound did you hear? Ah. Oh, I think that was really easy. Can we speed sound? Ah, 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 ah. So speed sound for this one is how many times can you do ah, 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 ah? And I have to breathe in between each one. It's really hard for me to say. Ah, 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 ah. And remember, car. Oh look, what's the cat doing today? It is not fair. I want a guitar too. So the word that we're looking at for the end of that word is actually the word fair. Do you use this word a lot? You say, oh, it's not fair. He's got one and I want one. It's not fair. So fair, the sound you would have heard for the end of that word is air. I'm not going to even try to speed sound it because I know air. That's an easy one for you, isn't it? Air. What is he up to? Well, sometimes cats like to be tickled and sometimes they don't. So you need to check before you do this. And this cat is holding up its paws to say, tickle me more, tickle me more. And the word that we're looking at is the word at the end here, which is more. And the sound you heard was or. Or. Ooh, this cat means business. Means business. Oh, I got my tongue all tangled up there. Let's say that again. This cat means business. Look at her face. And the sentences are, did you say, girl, I am a cat? So we're looking at that word girl. And did you hear the sound there? Can you do that again? And what about this? If you think you're good with a computer, look at this cat. How clever is that? But look at his face as he's typing. He's shouting it out. So the sentence is, shout it out. And how do we sound that word shout? Sh, out. So, did you hear? Ow. Sh, out. Ow. So that's a really good one to practice. Ow. And here we have yet another cat, but this time they're playing with one of Jinx's toys. So here is a toy for a boy cat. So for toy and boy, you have the sound oi. You can do that easily. Can I hear that again? Oi. And this is my favourite because can you see the cat is almost falling asleep and waking up again? Good morning. And wouldn't it be lovely if Jinx woke up and said to me, cup of tea? And we're looking at that word tea right on the end there. Tea. And did you hear the sound E? But look very closely at those letters. EA is making the sound E in this word. Cup of tea. E. Well, that's all of the sounds for this week. See you next week with practice speed sounds. Bye now.